Theta value equivalent to $0.6130 a coin. The present reach, $0.6092. $0.6269. The earlier day close, $0.6140. The change was 0.0010. 0.16%. Converse rate, United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost forecast for September 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.62. Greatest cost 70 cents. Least cost 55 cents. The normal for the month 62 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the months and 59 cents. Change for September 4.8%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. To start with cost at $0.59. Greatest cost 65 cents. Least cost 53 cents. The normal for the month 59 cents. Theta cost figure toward the months and 57 cents. Change for October 3.4%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at $0.57. Most extreme cost 57 cents. Least cost 45 cents. The normal for the month 52 cents. Theta cost figure toward the months and 48 cents. Change for November 15.8%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Before all else cost at $0.48. Most extreme cost 55 cents. Least cost 47 cents. The normal for the month 50 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the months and 51 cents. Change for December 6.3%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at $0.51. Most extreme cost 51 cents. Least cost 42 cents. The normal for the month 47 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the months and 45 cents. Change for January 11.8%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.45. Greatest cost 45 cents. Least cost 35 cents. The normal for the month 41 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the months and 38 cents. Change for February 15.6%. Theta cost expectation for WOC 2024. Before all else cost at $0.38. Most extreme cost 39 cents. Least cost 33 cents. The normal for the month 37 cents. Theta cost figure toward the months and 36 cents. Change for spring 5.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Initially cost at $0.36. Most extreme cost 36 cents. Least cost 31 cents. The normal for the month 34 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the months and 33 cents. Change for April 8.3%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.33. Greatest cost 39 cents. Least cost 33 cents. The normal for the month 35 cents. Theta cost figure toward the months and 36 cents. Change for May 9.1%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. At the outset cost at $0.36. Most extreme cost 45 cents. Least cost 36 cents. The normal for the month 40 cents. Theta cost figure toward the months and 42 cents. Change for June 16.7%. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at $0.42. Most extreme cost 42 cents. Least cost 33 cents. The normal for the month 38 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the months and 35 cents. Change for July 16.7%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. To start with cost at $0.35. Greatest cost 35 cents. Least cost 27 cents. The normal for the month 32 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the months and 29 cents. Change for August 17.1%. Theta cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.29. Greatest cost 33 cents. Least cost 29 cents. The normal for the month 31 cents. Theta cost figure toward the months and 31 cents. Change for September 6.9%. Theta cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at $0.16. Most extreme cost 18 cents. Least cost 16 cents. The normal for the month 17 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the months and 17 cents. Change for November 6.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. In the first place cost at $0.17. Greatest cost 17 cents. least cost 14 cents. The normal for the month 16 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 15 cents, change for December 11.8%. Theta cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at $0.15, greatest cost 16 cents. Least cost 14 cents. The normal for the month 15 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15 cents, change for January 0.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. In the first place cost at $0.15, greatest cost 16 cents. Least cost 14 cents. The normal for the month 15 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 15 cents, change for February 0.0%. Theta cost expectation for WOC 2026. At the outset cost at $0.15. Most extreme cost 18 cents. Least cost 15 cents. The normal for the month 16 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 17 cents. Change for spring 13.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Before all else cost at $0.17. Most extreme cost 21 cents. Least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 20 cents. Change for April 17.6%. Theta cost expectation for May 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 25 cents. Least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 23 cents. Change for May 15.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.23. Greatest cost 23 cents. Least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 21 cents. Change for June 8.7%. Theta cost expectation for July 2026. Before all else cost at $0.21. Most extreme cost 24 cents. Least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 22 cents. Change for July 4.8%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for August 2026. To start with cost at $0.22. Greatest cost 28 cents. Least cost 22 cents. The normal for the month 25 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 26 cents. Change for August 18.2%. Theta cost expectation for September 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.26. Most extreme cost 27 cents. Least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 25 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 25 cents. Change for September 3.8%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for October 2026. In the first place cost at $0.25. Most extreme cost 29 cents. Least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 27 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 27 cents. Change for October 8.0%.